to the Singapore Zoo!
Oh, so cute. What you doing? What are you doing, darling? Oh my god! Let's look at this chilling baby. Hello. Hi. Oh, your neck's so long. Hi, what? Oh, are they mating? Oh.
Guys, we need some privacy needs.
Hey, monster guy. So cute. Aww. So we're now at the monkey exhibit.
That's the black howler monkeys behind us, somewhere up there.
Behind us somewhere there. And what we really like about the Singapore Zoo is that I think all the animals generally look very healthy. And it's really nice to see everyone so happy. And we've actually seen quite a few terrapins and red ear sliders in a different pond. So that's very nice. Guess who's at the back?
We love elephants.
So these ones are the Southern River Terrapin. So some are over there. And there's another one over there. They're walking around. This is their habitat. Great habitat where they are. Because they've got a place to bask and they can come up there to bask in the sun as well. So it's covered lots of greens and they've got a big space for them to swim, so that's perfect. Now we have the Burmese roof turtle. Wow. That's cute. Aww. So as you can see, this is where these little guys are. It's a great space because first and foremost they actually have places where they can bask. They can climb up there. They have the Center Island where they can come up to bask at this area as well. They have lots of greens and lots of rocks that they can go up to bask if they don't want the wood. And there's a lot of natural light, so that is great. And they have a big pond space for them to really swim as well. So this is a wonderful, wonderful pond for this little baby. Lion. Another example of the perfect habitat for terrapins. So as you can see, there is a pond for them to swim, and you've got lots of rocks and a lot of greens, so they can actually climb up and bask when they need to. And there is actually a lot of natural light and the sun that actually comes in, which helps them with the UVA and UVB rays that is essential for their health. So you can see you've got the terrapin over there that's basking, and the rest of them are in the pond. And it's a good space for them to also explore, walk around, hunt around. And terrapins like to bite a lot, so I guess they have a lot of little fishes as well to chase, which is actually really good for them. So lots of exercise for these little ones. There's a lot of natural sunlight around. The greens are looking great, and I think this is a place that is excellent for terrapins. So thank you, Singapore Zoo. So if you can see, there are actually another two over there, and there is actually one over here who looks like it's about to go for the food's here. So this is how the Singapore Zoo actually feeds the terrapins, which I think is great. Instead of throwing the food into the water, which will make it very dirty really quickly, they actually put it on a feeding tray, and when the terrapins want to feed, they go over, they eat the food, and I think that's perfect. You know, it makes the whole place look a lot better, and the terrapins can also choose what they want from a fresh place. So that's a great place. What are you doing? Eating kangkong. You got something in your mouth. You got something in your mouth. Hello. What are you guys doing? Your kangkong. Oh, so slow. How come my terrapins are not so slow? Amazing tortoises.
Sandra's the chosen one.
Hello there. Oh. It's so playful. Hello. I say, oh.
Whoa.
Hello. Hello.
Whoa.
Oh, hello. Oh my goodness. Hi.
Oh, Sandra.
Oh my god. Oh,
I didn't catch that.
oh hello. Another one. What the? Hi. Oh my gosh. Oh, hello. Ouch. Biting my shoe. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Whoa. Why are you biting my shoe? Oh, there you go. Oh my god. What are you doing? Oh, tasty shoe.
Ooh. Hey, come back, come back. Oh.
So this is another great turtle area because you see a lot of places for the terrapins to bask, and you can also see that they have a big swimming area which is really good. And at the same time, at the back, I don't know if you can see, at the back there is actually an extra fountain with an extra pond for them. So that's amazing. And also because when they need to nest and lay eggs, they can actually go in, look for some sand, and they can dig their own nest to lay their eggs. So this is perfect. There's so many basking areas for the terrapins, which is super amazing. You see some turtles here.
It's one of the 3 top zoos in the world according to TripAdvisors, and we're glad we made a trip here. And I think they did a great job in terms of the safe distancing and the staggering of arrivals. So overall, we had a good experience.
Alright, see you.
Lots of love to the animals. Bye.